on the 71st day, when Laycon emerges the winner, I want you guys to know that you saw it first on this channel, okay? Story/gist time. What I'm gonna be doing is doing my makeup and giving you a breakdown. Hey tribe, welcome back. So today I'm doing something totally different than what you're used to. Today I'm going to be talking about the Big Brother Naija season 5 lockdown episode. Big Brother Naija is Africa's biggest TV show in Nigeria and in Africa, I would say. But today I'm going to be talking about the last 5 contestants in the house. So we have Dorathy, we have Nengi, we have Neo, we have V, and we have Laycon. And truth be told, while this show started, it's not like I particularly had, someone I was vouching for or someone I really wanted. I never really, started watching the show from the beginning. But, now, every good thing has an ending. And as soon as the show was starting to end, there was so much popularity and buzz on social media. And I was like, okay, let's see what they're talking about. Then I started watching, and while I was watching, I put my eyes on one of the contestants. Not necessarily like I put my eyes, it's just that a lot of people on social media was bashing these contestants. They were pretty rude, and they were literally body shaming him. But I was like, okay, this guy looks like he has more to offer than the world thinks or expects. And you want to guess who this star person is? It's Laycon. His full name is Olamilekan Agbeleshe. He's a 26-year-old music star from MTV Base. Literally started singing from a very young age. He loves to read his Bible. He's a mommy's boy. He's a grandma's boy. You need to see the video where his grandma, called on everyone to, vote for her grandson. She was really riding for Laycon.
Thank you.
So, truth be told, in all these shows, I literally or necessarily did not have a special person or a favorite till Laycon came on the show. He has always been in the show. I don't know what I just meant. Laycon has always been in the show, but for some reason I seem to be ranting more about Laycon. So let's talk about the others. We have Nengi. Nengi was also one of the contestants' love interests. We have Dorathy. Dorathy is a beautiful young girl that was also bashed because of her physical appearance. She's voluminous in some parts of her body, which is so beautiful because, guys, let's say the truth, we all love it. Then we have Neo, who is V's love interest. I necessarily did not pay a lot of attention to Neo and V. Let's remind you, I came on this show pretty late. But from what I've seen, Neo and V are an item. They roll with each other, they talk to each other, and they keep each other's company. There was this video, very hilarious, which you're going to see here, of Neo washing V's panties.
Who is your favorite artist? My dear, 1 point missing. Huh? 1 point, oh, okay.
Which made everyone go agog, like, what? A guy doesn't do that. But really, if a lady is gonna wash your panties or your if a lady is gonna wash your boxers, why can't you reciprocate and wash a lady's panties or underwear? That's for those that enjoy doing stuff like that. Well, back to the gist. So right now we have 5 contestants remaining in the Big Brother Naija house, and these contestants started from I think July 19th or 25th. And they were going to be staying in the house for 71 good days. We did a lip sync show a couple of hours ago, and I loved the way they all danced. Like, they really cheered me on. They really, brought up this happiness. The dance was sort of like a victory dance, and the one that I enjoyed the most was that of Laycon. And V, I enjoyed Laycon because he owned the stage. He danced freely, he didn't care, And that's really who Laycon is. He just really doesn't care. He just does his own stuff. You know, he isn't self-conscious. He has been rejected by Erica, who got disqualified. She was one of the the Big Brother contestants. She got disqualified because, well, she had 2 strikes, then she got disqualified. But everyone is, you know, blaming Laycon for upsetting her because of the thing he said when they were talking to Ibuka. But that's aside from today's gist. I trust him. I put my faith in him. I hope people vote and, you know, give him the crown. He deserves to be a winner. And one of the things that happened lately that spoke to a lot of viewers was he was having a conversation with the housemates and, you know, talking about the fact that a lot of the times he's super lucky, looking at his health situation and how he has gone through life. He's super lucky that he doesn't break down a lot of time. And people are like, oh, what do you mean breakdown? Of course, everyone, you know, works. Everyone, you know, has to hustle and do stuff. And it was like, no, I'm actually a sickle cell, but I have the gene SC. And he explains further that SC is a milder form of the sickle cell SS gene, that he's just been so blessed with all the activities he does and everything. He's still super healthy. And let me tell you, there's nothing like sympathy from the world than someone that has an ailment, a genetic disorder, or, you know, someone that just has a lot going on for them that you really do not know about. It goes to the fact that a couple of days/weeks ago, Boseman Chadwick lost his life to cancer battle, and everyone was on social media shouting, oh, you don't know the battles people are fighting, you know, be kind, use kind words before you talk, think, you know, be kind, watch out for people. You don't have to know you don't even have to know the battles that people are fighting before you show kindness or say kind things to them. And, you know, him talking about his health really got to a lot of viewers out there, and this is just me saying, Laycon, you've got this. No matter what, just hang in there. I know that I saw you when at the last eviction party, you were super shocked that people voted for you and had your back. Laycon, you deserve it. You deserve it. You think you have nobody, but you have everyone, because everyone is rooting for you. We believe in you. We believe in your music. We believe in your story, and we know you're going to make a very proud one out there. Next up, I'll be going with my setting powder, and I'm just going like so. Something amazing just happened, guys. I don't know if you've watched a couple of my other videos. I've been talking about this powder that's held me through thick and thin, 3 years, and look, it just broke. Like, look, this is super duper annoying. It just makes it all messy, you know. Oh my god, I'm so disappointed. Oh my god, I can't believe this. It's made a huge mess, trust me. Wow. So I'm just gonna go in with my contour powder and contour some parts of my nose. Laycon studied philosophy in University of Lagos, UNILAG, and right now he's just looking into going into music and just, you know, putting himself out there, looking at what's gonna work. And I really am just rooting for him. So that's my opinion. You know, I'm just rooting for him because I feel like he's gonna be the winner. Okay, I believe Laycon has what it takes to win the Big Brother Naija Lockdown Season 5 episode. So if you're watching till here and you aren't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button right now, because you want to know the tea that I have. Now they're like trying to close up makeup, talk about friendship, talk about first impressions and all that. You know, they're all just generally being emotional and anxious in the house right now. V girl, the expressions V has, it's enough to take out the whole clan. Like, that girl is on steroids, trust me. It's countdown to Saturday when they're gonna have the eviction / winner, and I'm just putting my bets on Laycon. So the next thing I'm going in is my blush, and I'm just putting it on the highest part of my cheek. I'm doing it over here also, like so. I'm just dusting it off. I literally started 20 minutes ago, and guys, we're done. When you've got business to settle, this is what happens. If you're new, kindly go click the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this video and give me a thumbs up. Let me drop your comments in the comment section. I want to know what you think. Who you even think might go with the 85 million naira price? Drop your comments in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm immersing my brush in the concealer. Let's go. Starting from the edge, cleaning it out. The lip tint competition, they also had a speech. You want to listen to Laycon's speech right here. It was super inspiring. This guy has dropped bars. He's super smart and intelligent. Like, people are missing out on who Laycon is. Like, if you know him, you would know that he's quiet, but he's got a lot going on for him upstairs. Like, he's super intelligent, brilliant, and smart. I did not expect that kind of, I did not expect that kind of speech, from Laycon. I was really impressed. I'm just gonna play it in the background while I do my makeup.
There has never been a time in the history of the world or in the history of humans where everyone has the same line of thought and opinion. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Urobo, Ishekiri, Fulani, Ijo. Be you a Muslim or a Christian or a traditional worshipper, whatever ideology you believe in, I say we are all one and the same. We are all Nigerians. Black has always been and will forever remain our color. Peace exists, and it can be our way of living. No, peace should be our way of living. The integration that our country exists on. We all sing our Rise, O Compatriots with pride, and we all end our national pledge with So Help Me God. We are Nigerians before anything else. We wear the green, white, and green color with pride. So peace is what we should strive to achieve. Peace is what we should aim for, and we should spread this peace to the rest of the world. Let the rest of the world know that.
And also spread it on all my eyelids just so it gets everywhere. Guys, did you listen to that speech? What do you think? Drop your comments in the comment section. It was super inspiring. We really need to give people the chance. We really need to have faith in people. We also need to be kind. To brighten my inner corner, I'm going in with this Neonbygarbie's eyeshadow in the shade Lime, and I'm just gonna, tap a little bit in. So ahead of the final day in the Big Brother Naija 2020 lockdown season episode 5 in the house, I'm predicting Laycon as the winner. Look at his winner dance over here. That's it for me. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel. You want to give me a like, thumbs up, and till next time, bye guys. It's killer baby, tiole baby. What happened? Oh, don't dying. Hey, don't give me now.